Welcome students. This is Social Science class 7th standard Political Science chapter 1 our Constitution. In the last class we had discussed about meaning and importance of the Constitution, the preamble of the Constitution, the salient feature of the Constitution, the drafting committee of the Constitution, the concept of the Republic and the meaning of secularism. Today let us continue the developing the attitude to respect the Constitution. This is third video. If you have not watched the previous video, please check in the playlist. Today, let us continue the unique feature of our Constitution. Fifth point, independent judiciary. The judiciary is independent of executive and legislature and has adequate powers. Neither the government nor the parliament can interfere with the functioning of the judiciary. Under judiciary, all are equal before the court of law and all have right for justice is the principle of the judiciary. Under judiciary, the decision of the Supreme Court is final and all are expected to adhere to it. So, Supreme Court decision is final and every state will have High Court and it will solve the disputes whatever it arises in the country. So, we have independent judiciary. Sixth one, universal adult franchise. The system of electing the representative through voting of adult members 18 years and have the above is called universal adult franchise. All citizens are eligible for voting without any discrimination. Then a good government comes to power. So that is the meaning of universal adult franchise. All adults above 18 years are given right of vote. That is called as adult franchise. The Constitution wishes to establish the welfare state. So what is welfare state? A state which sets a goal to provide social, economic security to all its citizens is generally known as welfare states. Social development, economic development, whatever it is undertaken in a state to all their citizens is called as welfare state. So it is the government responsibility to provide a welfare state in our country. Seventh salient feature of our constitution is election system. India is the largest democracy in the world. In the past 6 decades, periodic elections have been conducted. The system of democracy has been adequately deep-rooted in our country. It is still a satisfactory system in spite of certain demerits. So once in 5 years, we are conducting elections. So general election, all people can participate and they can elect their members. These are the main salient features of our constitution. Now, let us discuss the new terms whatever we have used in this lesson. One is drafting committee of the constitution. The committee that prepared a draft constitution and placed in the Constituent Assembly for discussion and approval. Second one, democratic. Democratic means the rule of the people. These are the new terms you have to know under this lesson. Now, I will review these points whatever we have discussed today. Fifth point, we started discussing about independent judiciary. Neither the government nor the parliament can interfere with the functioning of the judiciary. So, judiciary is an independent organ. All are equal before the court of law and all have the right to justice is the principle of the judiciary. Sixth point, universal adult franchise. Under universal adult franchise, electing representatives through voting of adult members 18 years and above and all citizens are eligible for voting without any discrimination. Welfare state. So what is welfare state? A state to provide social security and economic security to its people. That is called as welfare state. Election system. Under election system, elections have been conducted in our country. Once in 5 years, elections are undertaken. Ours is a democratic system. Democratic system means the rule of the people. So these are the main points that you have to know about this lesson. Thank you, children. Today we started discussing about independent judiciary, universal adult franchise, welfare state, election system, democratic meaning. With these points, I conclude the explanation about our constitution lesson. In my next video, I will discuss about question and answers about the lesson our constitution. Thank you, children.